Warm soup for a cold winter day is good for any weather. Rainy day or cold or chilly day is really good. This soup are very delicious and amazing, easy to make. Doesn't take long at all. Good for that perfect days of cold winter day. Just need your chicken size or your chicken breast. These are chicken size. You white them and then fill your supriya with water and wash your chicken inside. Wash your chicken and put inside. Cut your tomatoes and carrot and some green spring onions and some red onion. You cut them and you put them inside. They are really nice for cold winter day. I love this soup especially when it's cold, or maybe in this one it's this weather, especially when the season of you're not feeling well or anything. This soup are really good and nice. They can help you calm down and they are really warm. Perfect for this weather especially. And perfect when you feeling cozy, maybe you are home and the weather is cold outside and you don't cutting like that. Put in the other side and pour some spices inside to give it that flavor. And when you're done doing that, you're gonna pour some salt inside and let it cook very nicely. Let it cook. There's nothing this soup was so special and nice. Very beautiful, especially in this golden time. Oh my god, they are really warm soup in a cold winter day. Especially, or maybe chilling day like that. There's nothing like that. They're really so good. So what I did, my little girl was helping me. She's touching everything there, and she's just here with me. I'm cooking with her. So you pour a little bit of oil, and you can just let them cook together. You just need to prepare them in one go, and then you light up your stove and cover your supriya and let them cook nicely. Look at how beautiful they are before they even cook. Mix it very well so that the seasoning can mix up with the chicken and the spices. Let it cook nicely like this one. These are the soup actually. It doesn't look promising here, but believe me when I tell you, this soup is so amazing. When they're done cooking, you'll fall in love with them. So far, this aroma is so good. It's so nice, Like I'm talking to you now. I wasn't feeling well though, but I've been having this soup to help me with that cold, especially during the winter days, or maybe during this flu season. Warm soup are perfect and nice. So they already cook. Now I'm serving myself so that I can help myself. It was cold, chilly. It's a little bit chilly outside. And I'm serving myself to go and close myself on the other side of the room. Look at these guys. They're so beautiful. And the soup looks so delicious. Look at that. Nothing fancy. Not too much work to do. Just simple. And just easy to make. Easy recipe. You can make it at any time, any day, and any time. You don't even need to spend so much in the kitchen. You can just put them together and light up your stove and go and chill out in the couch and let them just cook, and then you come back, turn up the stove, and then they all cook, and then you got the soup to enjoy. It's so amazing. I love them. Like I'm telling you now, it's so good. You wanted to have them soup, you can just have them like that. You would have it with bread, you can have it. And these are good for cold weather.